What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color King Bob from the Minions. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. We're going to start right in the middle. So draw our circle going out toward the left. Come all the way down towards the bottom. And pull that back up towards the middle. Let's draw that same size circle on the right side. Starting from the center. Come all the way down towards the same height. Up toward the top, and we'll bring that back down. Now I want to trace each of the circles along the inside. So let's start from the top, we'll step down, just leave an even gap all the way around, and go back up towards the top, and then we'll do the same thing on the right side. Now you want to push the iris and pupil towards the inside of the eye. Let's start on the left. Draw that circle, coming around, and then back up. Let's add a small circle in the center of each eye and fill that in black. Now you want to extend the strap along the side of the head. Going out, step down, draw another straight line, and we'll flatten this off. Let's line these up on the right and do the same thing. Now we move back to the center and draw in the mouth. Curve down and then back up. Now from here we're going to work our way up towards the crown. Let's start on top of the strap, bend this up and then in. Now let's connect the ends with a straight line. Let's round out the side of the crown with a bracket going out and in. And we'll close off the top with another straight line. Let's add some spots along the top, starting in the center with a dot, go up on the side, come down, and then up along the top. Now let's go up along the side of the crown, a straight line, and again, close this off along the top, and we'll add two lines on either side. Now I'm going to add a stone along the side and the center. So we'll start right in the middle with a circle. And we'll add a half circle on either side. Now from here we're going to work our way up towards the top of the crown. From the top left, go all the way around and up. Now we're just going to pull this in. We want to leave a gap in the center. Let's move over towards the right, go all the way around, and then bend that back in. Let's flatten off the top with a straight line. Now from here, draw two straight lines coming down. Go across toward the left and right side. And we'll trace the inside of the crown. Go all the way around and just tuck that in. Now I'm going to connect the top and the outside with a curve, going out and then down. Let's add a few gemstones in the center. Start with a square along the top, add a circle in the center, and we'll add a diamond along the bottom. Now let's finish off the top of the crown. From the ends, go up and out. And we'll bend that back in towards the center. Let's add that gemstone along the top, going up and out. And it's up and in with a short line. And then we'll close off the top. Now we're going to go back down and draw the edge of the cloak. Let's start underneath the strap, curve this down and then in. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to add two buttons along the bottom. Draw a circle going all the way around. Let's connect the inside of the circle with a straight line. Now I'm going to work our way down towards the bottom of the coat. Let's start from the inside of that button, come down, and then we'll bend that out towards the side. Now go back and draw the outside of that trim, starting from the top, then it's out, come down, and then in towards the side for that button. Let's go back to the left side. Just going to follow the same curve, coming down, and then out. And it'll close off the ends with a curve. Let's draw the outside of the cloak. Let's start on the left, straight down, and I'll just bend that out. Let's add a small pocket in the center. Start with a straight line, and we'll connect the ends with a half circle. Now let's move down and draw the bottom edge of the body. Starting over on the left, curve down, and then up. And then leaving a small gap in the center, we draw two straight lines coming down towards the heels. Let's round out the bottom of the feet, starting from the left heel, for the foot coming down and then up. And then we'll round out the top of the foot with a half circle, going up and then back down towards the heel. Now I'm going to go back to the top of the foot, draw a straight angle line going up and out underneath the cloak. Let's draw the back side of the cloak going in behind the legs. Starting on the left, draw a straight line going in behind the foot, in between, then out towards the right. Let's add some spots inside the collar and the trim. Let's start on the left. Adding these small spots, just randomly placed, and then go down along that trim. Now with our drawing in place, I'm going to use my light gray and fill the inside of the goggles. Let's start on the left. Going all the way around. And we'll fill that strap on the outside. And we'll use a bright green to add a highlight across the top of the left eye. Just fill the area around the pupil. And we'll do the same thing on the right using our orange. Now let's grab our bright yellow and fill in the head. Just working our way around the eyes. And using a lighter yellow, we'll fill in the buttons and then the outside of the crown. Now we're just adding a light shadow to the right side of the white areas. And as we finish off our coloring, I'll go in and sign my artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw and color King Bob. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.